YouTube? It's your boy, Most Incredible, back with another video today. So a few miles that I did off camera, which was I tinted my tail light, my side markers, right? I tinted them. Oh, y'all, I got something in my shoe. I tinted my side markers, right? But I also did something over the weekend where I black out everything on my I got this tint from Let's Tint, something like that. Let me see if I got the box. I think I still got the box in my trunk. Yep, Let's Tint. Or however you pronounce the name. But I got the whole thing for the trunk. For my tail light. But it's not only that it's blacked out, but it's, if y'all can see it, it's the B. I didn't do that. It's a guy named Toner Garage who did it for me. He did that for me. And yeah, he did that for me. And I appreciate him for that. But I have some left over. Let's see what we can do. I have some left over. And I think I should put them down here. This is easy to peel off because basically it was already pre-cut. So all you do is grab it and peel it right on off. It's basically been pre-cut. So if I mess up, I'm pretty sure I won't because he told me what to do and how to do it. I think I could have did it myself, but the only thing about it is cutting. Because as y'all know that I wrapped my whole hood with my first 392, which was the Altine Red, when I wrapped the whole hood and the trunk. So I'm pretty sure that I could have did it myself, but the whole cutting it out and measuring and everything, I'm not good with that. But with this one, I'm gonna try it, and if it worked, it worked. If it don't, I got a good amount to use to make it work. So yo, let's go. So this is the stuff you're gonna need. It basically comes with the packet. I'll get y'all a shout out. So basically, shout out to them. They shipped it. I ordered it on a Friday and I got it that Tuesday or Wednesday. One of the two. I'm not really sure. But it was sent with the whole package of the tail light tint. Of course, it was a big roll of that. A squeegee you're gonna need. Shouts out to them because they got their name on it. I have a few bottles of these to prep. You know what I'm saying? Get that thing nice and neat. And that Michael's fiber towel, which I'm gonna need this later on because you know I got all the chemical stuff. So just imagine everything. I got everything. I got it all. So what we got to do now, basically, we have to spray this down. But this came off. My tint just came off, so you really don't have to spray it off. But I'm still gonna spray it and everything. And I have to cut it to the perfect, to make sure that it's perfect. So I'm gonna do, spray it. Make sure that's good and neat. And y'all look, I washed my car yesterday, so I don't think I got no dirt on it. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get up here. First I'm gonna measure it. I should have measured it first before I sprayed it, being fast ass. I'm gonna get up here and look at these tires. Them tire levers clean. Let me get back on track. I'm gonna get right here. I'm gonna measure from here to here and from here to here to see how long it is and see how wide it is. So basically, what I could do like this right here, to be honest. So I didn't measure it or nothing like that. I just straight up cut it out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and make sure I got enough to fold over to hide the gray. The orange, damn, my color blind. To hide the orange, and pretty much then I'm gonna cut it out with the razor. I'm gonna go around it with the razor, and I'm just gonna cut it out so that way it can just be hiding right behind there. So you already know what it is. So this is what I did. I basically, like I said earlier, I cut a big piece out and just sticking it on there because I have so much to play with, and I got one more piece that can basically go back there in the back side marker. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna cut it. I'm probably gonna trim it, yeah, cut it up right here. And then once I heat it up with the gun, I'm gonna tuck it in with this squeegee right here. And then They're gonna be one down. So far, so good. I like it, yo. Even though, yeah, I like it. Whatever. I really don't need the heat gun, but I'm still gonna use it because this weather in down south Georgia, boy, this thing's killing me. But I'm gonna put some heat on it. That way it can shrink. I probably took all that in there. I'm not sure. And I'm see what it do. It's kind of hard holding your phone and recording. That way they got tripods for it, I guess. That's what y'all trying to say. But well, I don't have one. I use my hands. What God gave me. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna cut it. Cut basically, I'm gonna tuck all of that in there. I thought it wouldn't, like I thought. But I'm going to go ahead and cut it. Oh, Lord. I thought we were recording the whole time. So basically what I did, guys, I cut it. Let's pray and hope that I don't cut into my paint, y'all. That would not be pretty, Hannah. Basically, that's how you do it. So let me go and finish everything. And once I'm done, I'm gonna show y'all everything. So with me having the rock guards right here, right? It's kind of hard for me to tuck it. So what I'm gonna have to do, I might have to just take this one off, take it out. I might have to, if I can squeeze my little hand back up in there, but it's tight right here. So what I might have to do, let me see something right quick. Hold up. Hold on 1 second. So what I did with that, I pull my splash guard back, which I got from ZL1 add-on. I pull it back. This is the best rock guards there is. I got some off of eBay that was pretty cheap. I didn't like it, so I gave them away. So now what I gotta do now, I gotta get the squeegee that's down, that's somewhere, and I'll be finished with this. All I gotta do is squeeze that one in. Probably gonna heat it up and squeeze it in at the same time. Heat it up and squeeze it in. Sounds never get old. But this is what it looks like at night with my new lens look. This is what it looks like at night. The B logo. This is what I just did to it. The sound markers. What it look like. My fault, y'all. I'm gonna read the text messages now from my homeboy just killed Pride. That's what it look like. I still got that one little line from the factory, but it's cool. You already know about those. That's basically what it looked like, yo. Honestly, I like it. Like, no doubt in my mind. Ooh, let me get that. Check it out. Well, that would have ripped my logo off. Now let me go and cut it off. That sound never get too old. But this your boy Most Incredible, and I'm out. Just let y'all know that I thought I had a good idea for a decal, and I did, but I didn't go through with it. I'm gonna keep my B. I'm gonna keep the B, and just be done with it. Like I'm gonna still add to it and everything, but my next mod, I don't know yet. I really don't know because I don't know yet. I don't know what I'm gonna do next. Like, it seems like I did everything so fast, but I didn't. So I don't know what my next mod gonna be. I don't know what my next video gonna be. I'm probably gonna pop up with something fresh, and I'm gonna do it myself. But I was scared to do that. I did not want to do that right there. I was scared to. I didn't want to mess it up. And y'all see it? It gives a good look to it too as well. So that shit's smoking. Like, y'all want to see it? Check it out. got my keys in my pocket. Y'all see it. Let's do another start. That sound never get too old. That sound never get too old. But the person that did the back. So on that note, drop a gear and disappear. Don't be scared of Yoshi when you see her. Blow the horn, record me, throw me on Instagram. You already know the name, you already know the game. But like I said, oh, word to wise, just to let y'all know, this one thing only. You ready for it? Your biggest supporters are strangers. Your bigger haters is someone you know. So watch out. So like I said, and we out on this one, but follow my IG, @mostincredible_392. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe.